Ever wanted to share a video but needed to hide someone's identity? Let's dive into how to blur faces in Capcut to protect privacy. First, import your video into Capcut. Tap the Import button and select the video from your device's gallery that you want to edit. Next, tap on your video clip on the timeline to select it. This will bring up the editing options at the bottom of the screen. Now, look for the Effects button and tap on it. In the Effects menu, select Video Effects. This will open up a variety of effect categories. Scroll through the categories and choose Blur. Capcut offers several blur options, so select the basic blur effect. Drag the blur effect to match the length of your video clip on the timeline. This ensures the blur is applied throughout the video. Select the blur effect on the timeline, then tap the Object button. This will let you specify where to apply the blur. Choose the face option and Capcut will automatically detect and blur all faces in the video. If the face moves in the video, Capcut's tracking feature will follow it. To adjust the intensity of the blur, select the blur effect on the timeline, then tap the Adjust button here. You can increase or decrease the blur strength. Use the slider to adjust the blur to your liking. A higher value creates a stronger blur, while a lower value is more subtle, and that's it. You've successfully blurred a face in Capcut to protect someone's privacy.